Wow, it's a busy day tonight at the shop. We got the Crumblebee down here, you know, the 70 Camaro conversion. We're working on the Charger deal. It's even got new rims. Look, did you see the video of this? This thing was in pretty rough shape. It's pretty good now. I'm actually getting ready to call it a night. I'm tired and we've been at it all day. The one we're doing the 70 conversion on, just to give you some content, we're going to put new rocker panels in it. We patched around on the factory ones and they just put new ones in. We got them here, been a while, it's warm weather now. These is full length rocker panels, I'm pretty sure. Don't remember the brand. We have had these for quite some time now. So we're going to unbox them today, lay them out, because in the next day or two they will be going on. I got a helper holding one end of the box. Well, the box is fighting us. Woo! Oh, these is full rocker panels. Good quality too. I actually think these is maybe AMD. Oh, I didn't buy the cheaper rockers. I can't remember. No, they're not AMD. I actually ordered this from a company that I go through local, and these is Tri-Plus. And Tri-Plus, you know, parts like cab corners and rocker panels and stuff fits pretty decent. So these is very good quality. A little bit of the pinch weld here is bent, but that's no biggie. Open it up here. Open it up. But we done got it opened. We are splitting them apart. Pretty long, but they cover everything we need. Had to get rid of a spider. Had to get rid of all that rust. We're gonna put this whole thing in and just spot weld it. That's my goal. We might butt weld it, you know, cut out what's good. But we just have to see once we get into our rocker panel. It's been quite some time. I patched around on it. It was pretty rusty. I mean, the patch would have lasted no good 8 years before it started bubbling out, I would say. But I want a decent, nice hot rod, and we're just going to replace them. So hopefully the weather's pretty, because we've got it out here outside, and we can get on that. And hopefully this Charger one's good, because I like to move it too tonight. One step at a time. But for everyone who's wanted more content on the 70s conversion, you're getting it. So hopefully you enjoy. Let me know in the comment section, would you just left the rockers patched around on the way we did them in the older video, or installing new rockers? Would that be, you know, something you want to see? We can do that. But for some of you that might not even seen the car, let's just do a quick walk around of it. Okay, the front end is off. We got the 70 conversion. Oh, the fenders. The fenders are done. They are ready for body work. All patched. Even the braces down there. Do you see them? Come here. Look. Patched. That's the brace. It's not a super perfect patch down on that brace, but it works, and it's sturdy, and it, you know, once man seals that back in our undercoats, well, I've got some undercoating on it, that'll be perfect for a hot rod. That patch will outlast the rest of the car. You know, you could have bought a whole brace and put in it, but that works. We got the quarters on. The welds is covered with primer. The trunk is on. We got to do a little adjustment. The tail panel's on. Looks damn sexy. This quarter's in fiberglass. It needs ground down and worked. Fiberglass is waterproof, by the way. Don't put Bondo on your vehicle. Body filler. If you're gonna let it sit out in the weather, fiberglass over the welds till you can get to it. How to keep water from soaking into the welds and causing rust later on. If you can't, you need to a lot of thick primer, you know, to go in them welds to leave them. Also, we're just going to do a quick paint job on this firewall and a heater delete box. Don't pick that up. They're two different ones, non-AC and AC. This is a non-AC car. No, they relatively inexpensive. I mean, they're not cheap, but they're affordable. And we like stuff on this channel that's affordable. Just look at everything we fix. So again, thank you for the support. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Drop a like and comment. Also, check the eBay store out. Stuff on these old cars that we don't need and just, you know, somebody else might need is on the eBay store. If you're a car guy, they even tools, and they are toys, and a bit of everything. Just, it's in the description below. Check the eBay store out. Don't buy anything you don't need, but you know, a little extra support does help. Thanks again.